Hello everyone, this is Tyler with Finding Freedom. Welcome to today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here. It really warms my heart to see you here today. For today's video, what I really wanted to do is I wanted to help you guys out with your investment plans. I have a really awesome website for you guys to check out if you want to get into stock or bond investing. So stick around and find out. Okay, so like I said, what I wanted to do is I wanted to help you guys out with your investment plans. I found a really cool website. It's a group that you can get connected with, and basically it helps you with, it's a stock advisor that helps you out with looking at stocks and bonds in a little bit more depth. They basically break down the company for you. They show you exactly where they are in their debt. They show you exactly where their plans are for the future. They give you their statistics on why they believe that this company is going to be going up. I mean, if you're looking for a way to get into stocks and not only get into stocks, but learn more about stocks, because I mean, if you want to get into any type of investing, you have to be smart about it, because if you're not smart about it and you don't know enough about it, then there's going to be a lot more risk. The more that you learn about any type of investment plan, the less risk there's going to be. That's why all of these people out there that are making millions of dollars in stocks, it's because they know quite a bit about them. And this is an easy way for anybody who works a lot, who has a 40-hour-a-week job, who, heck, I hear some people these days have 80 hours a week. So, I mean, I know that there's not a lot of time for you guys to go out there and figure out exactly what you want to do if you've been wanting to get into stocks and bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, anything like that. And this website can help out a ton with that. I mean, they send you out emails letting you know when to buy, when to sell the stocks that you're into. And they give exact reasons on why they think that. They have data going back 25 years showing exactly why this company is one of the best ones out there to help you out with it. The guys that run this company, they have done an amazing job. They've helped people make tons of money on stocks like Disney World, Netflix, different stocks like that. I can't think of all of them off the top of my head, but there were quite a few of them on there. Once I let you know what the website is, I definitely want you to go over and check it out, because honestly, whenever I first read through it, I thought I couldn't believe it. Like, honestly, with all the numbers that they were giving to me, I thought it was something that wasn't real. There's no way that it could have been possible. I had to check all over the internet to make sure that it was real, because, you know, you can't always believe everything that you see on the internet. But this is one thing that really was just one of those hidden gems, and I wanna pay that forward to you guys and let you know, just in case, like I said, if you guys want to get into any type of stock, in any type of stock investing, this website can help out a ton. It gives you a whole bunch of research to look over. If you want to learn about dividends, if you want to learn about mutual funds, hedge funds, if you want to learn anything about stocks and bonds, I haven't had any trouble going through their database, which is open to you anytime to go through and learn a little bit more for yourself if you want to. But like I said, they do all the research for you. They pay a whole bunch of people to go out there, look into these companies, decide which stocks to get into. And guys, with these stocks, the reason why I love them so much is because they go out and they find the little guys. They go out and find these companies that aren't worth millions upon millions of dollars, to where the stocks are, you know, you have to pay like $200 to $500 per stock, which they do have some like that. I'm not saying that they don't have high value stocks, but they go out and they find a lot of these companies where stocks are like anywhere from $6 to, say, just $100. And I mean, you can go in there and they'll show you exactly why they recommend it. break down the company, guys. They break down what the company plans to do. They tell you other reasons, other sources. They pretty much connect the dots with you on why this stock is going to help. If it's something like a software company, they sit there and they tell you because this software company just did a big deal with this other company that's going to boost their software through the roofs, along with this 5G presence that's coming into America is going to make the network faster than ever to make this software run better than ever, so it's going to boost their business as well. And they're also doing a complete rundown of their company. They'll tell you all of this stuff, and along with it, along with all the good, they tell you the bad as well. And that's just the cherry on top, I think, because a lot of companies, they love to tell you all about the good, but they don't like to tell you about the risks because it can scare a lot of people. But honestly, I mean, my opinion on that, I think that it needs to be there because you need to let the people know exactly what they're getting into. It's basically being as transparent as you can, and that's what people need in companies these days. They need them to be as transparent as they can so that they can trust them completely. And with this company, you can definitely do that. I mean, they come out with different stuff for you to look at every week. So if one week you don't have a stock in there that you love, that you really want to get into, wait until the next week, the week after. They're always coming out with either recommended buys or their exclusive picks in exactly what they want to do. Heck, one of the owners of this company has done a crazy thing and bet over $500,000 into one stock because he believes in it so much. And it's not even a stock that's really high right now that has a whole bunch of promise, but he knows exactly how to look at it to where he can minimize his risk, and he can explain it to you to where you can see that there's not as much risk. I mean, heck, he even invited the owner of that company to his company, to the stock advisor company, to explain to that person why he believes in his stock so well. So honestly, with everything that I've seen in this company, everything that I've learned in just the little bit of time that I've been with it, I plan on sticking with it. I'm gonna make sure to update you guys as much as I can with this, to show you where I'm at. I've already got into, I bought 6 different shares of stocks, just listening to these guys because I really believe what they're saying. Everything that they're talking about is 100% true. I've went out on the internet myself to research some of the information that they're giving me on these stocks, and it's completely true. I love this website so much because, I mean, it just makes it so easy for you by giving you all the information. And another thing is that it integrates with any type of trader as well. If you're using E-Trade, if you're using Fidelity, even Robinhood. I know a lot of people use their phones to invest these days. The Robinhood app is real big out there. I know that's one that I use. I've integrated into there, and I've bought through their app, through their website, which integrates with the app, and it worked. So I want to be one of the first people to let you guys know that it does work. They're not trying to steal your money or anything like that. They're there to help you out. Now, since you stuck through this video, I want to let you know what this stock advisor is called is Motley Fool Stock Advisor. It's Motley Fool Stock Advisor. I brought this up because I recently got into it. They're doing a special right now because it's their 25-year anniversary. If that doesn't tell you how much they've helped out people, I don't know what will, because there's not too many companies out there that have lasted 25 years, and especially to do what they're doing, because they're doing an amazing offer where their products usually $200 a month. Now, I know that seems like a lot, but with everything that I've explained to you, all the research that they do, all the huge database that they give you, the integration into their system to allow you to trade into any type of stock brokerage you want, it's basically easy money, people. I mean, you're gonna make more with them over a couple years than paying the $200 a year. I mean, that you could pay that with the amount that you make with them. Now, I'm not saying that you're gonna make money. Now, you have to be smart. They're gonna tell you everything that you need to know in order to play it smart and in order to continuously grow your stock portfolio. What they're doing right now, though, and why it's so special and why I've signed up, they're doing a special right now. I believe they are. I know that they were whenever I signed up. They should still be doing it, where they're doing 3 months for $29. That's $30 for 3 months compared to paying $200 for a year. And then after the 3 months, you can either just decide that you don't want to do it anymore. But if you decide that you do love their service, if you love getting all the research that they give for you, all the 100% correct information that they give to you, if you love the integration into the other stock trading systems, that way you're not having to go back and forth between one system to another, if you love all the emails that they send out to you to recommend buys to you, to recommend when to sell to you, to let you know what's happening with the companies that you're in, that way you can decide yourself whether you want to stick with it or not. If you want all this help, if you want everything that they provide for you at the low cost, they'll even do a special that they gave to me. If they have that $29 promotion running right now still, if you go out and do it, there's a little part down at the bottom, if you'll read it, it says that they'll even give you, after the 3 months, a year subscription for only $99. So not only do you get 3 months for $30, but if you want to continue with them, they're even giving you even more value by giving you a whole year for half the cost. So, I mean, with a lot of these stocks that they've gotten into, all the testimonials that I've seen, all the data that I've seen with them, because they give you spreadsheets. They show you spreadsheets on them compared to like the SP 500 to show you exactly how much they're making more than just these regular boring run-of-the-mill stocks. They show you how much better they're doing compared to them all the time too, because they love bragging, because they know what they're doing. Like I said, this is perfect for anybody who doesn't know too much about stocks, want to get into it. That way they don't have to spend 24 hours of the day or even 8 hours of the day trying to figure out what these companies are doing, trying to connect all the dots to figure out what stock is going to be great, what stock's going to actually move up, trying to figure out where that company's revenue is, where their debt is, what they've recently done to actually provide value to the market. I mean, these guys do all that for you. You guys have to go out there and get signed up to this program. If you're not ready to yet, like I said, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on where I'm at with it all. I'll show you what stocks I'm in. Well, I'll do it a little bit later because I don't want to, give you all the stocks that they're giving. I respect their program, so I don't want to just, give out all their information for free, because I know that they want to get their money's worth, because I'm telling you guys, it's definitely worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching today, though. Remember, with finding freedom, a happy mind is all you'll find. Go out there and kick butt, you guys. Make sure to continuously drill on that financial intelligence. That way you guys can make it in the world like I'm going to. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day, people.